Hello and welcome back to our channel. Do you know you can earn up to $5,000 plus Bitcoin using free apps? You might be thinking this is a scam, but I can assure you it's not. In this video, I will show you how to make this work. You can do this again and again as long as you need Bitcoin and some money. However, this can't work without a smartphone and an internet connection. And also can't work if you don't watch every second of this video until the end, as I am going to be revealing a bonus app at the end of the video. Before I show you how, make sure to like these videos, leave a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and on the notification bell below to get my latest videos. With the cryptocurrency wave taking over the digital world, several simple apps on your phone have tapped into this consumer demand. We take a look at some of the free apps that reward users with Bitcoin. However, due to the easy access of free apps, users earn Bitcoin called Satoshi. I want to show you this. By the time I am recording this video, one Bitcoin is $58,993, which is insane because a few months back, one Bitcoin was less than $6,000. The sooner you start this, the better, because soon enough Bitcoin will rise again. There are many free Bitcoin apps in Android that offer their users the opportunity to earn free Bitcoins in the form of Satoshi by playing games, watching ads or videos, and reading online stories. We will discuss in this video the 3 best working and legit apps in the Play Store that give free Bitcoins up to $5,000 as a reward to their users. We made this list based on our tests, user reviews, and play experience. The first free app is number 1, Feature Points. Feature Points is a mobile app that rewards you for downloading and participating in the online paid survey. You will be rewarded in points which can be redeemed for other rewards like Visa gift cards, PayPal money, and even Bitcoin. It allows you to make an extra income from home and it does not require any experience. As long as you have an internet connection and a smartphone or a laptop, you can start earning and make money online. Feature Points allows you to make money online from downloading and using the app to do tasks, which has a nice and simple interface. Feature Points is legit and pays its members. In short, you are being paid for your time spent on the tasks like doing surveys, and the points you can earn varies as it depends on the task you completed. You can find Feature Points on both iOS and Android devices. To get started, you will just need to download the app, register, and start earning points. It is completely free and easy to sign up for. Once you have completed an online task, you will be rewarded with points. These points can be used to exchange for real PayPal cash or Bitcoin cryptocurrency. The minimum withdrawal threshold amount for PayPal is 3,000 points, which are equal to $5. Besides that, you can also redeem a USD Visa card and use it for many online purchases. For those who love to redeem Bitcoin, you will need to reach $10, 6,000 points to withdraw, but you will need a Coinbase wallet account for withdrawal. You can get paid in Feature Points following these simple procedures: by playing free games from the Google Play Store and earn real cash, by giving your opinion and answering survey questions, by playing a fun instant win and scratch game for free, you can win up to 50,000 points instantly by doing so, by earning points when you shop online at stores including Walmart, Sephora, Gap, and a lot more, by sharing Feature Points with your friends and earn up to an amazing 50% of the points they earn. You can make money on either Android, iOS, or the web. You can make money and earn rewards on your phone with fun surveys, free games, free-to-play instant wins, cashbacks, and a lot more. They've paid out over $5.9 million in rewards since 2012. The next free app is StormX. StormX is the most popular free Bitcoin app. The app pays you for being active with its advertisers, and you'll be able to earn free Storm tokens, Bitcoin or Ethereum. You'll earn in 2 ways using this app. The first way is by watching a video and collecting free Bitcoin every 30 minutes. The second way is by choosing from a list of simple tasks and complete as many as you can. The more tasks you complete, the more coins you earn. As you continue completing these steps, you'll be rewarded. Lightning bolt icons will show up in your account balance, which then you'll be able to redeem in Storm, Bitcoin, or Ethereum. Storm Play could be fun and straightforward way to earn cryptocurrency rewards. You'll also earn free Bitcoin, Ethereum, DAI, Litecoin, and Storm tokens by answering surveys. You'll be able to withdraw your new earnings to your wallet. StormX is the easiest and safest way to start earning free cryptocurrency with no stress. The app has over 83,000 users worldwide. StormX is a good way to begin earning in exchange for your time. It is transforming the world's economy by leveraging emerging blockchain technology to empower the worldwide workforce. You can earn anywhere, anytime, and choose withdrawals in popular crypto like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Storm tokens. Everybody wants Bitcoin and Ethereum, and everybody wishes they'd bought them some years ago. Now you can earn it without having to worry about if the worth changes. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step way to earning from StormX. For a start, download the app on Google Play. After downloading the StormPlay app, create your account and complete as many surveys as you prefer to maximize your earning potential. Check back often as these surveys are continuously updated with new and exciting offers every day. Once you are ready to withdraw, simply finalize your account and set up your supported wallet. Choose your kind of cryptocurrency you want to withdraw: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, DAI, or Storm token. It's that easy to start earning cryptocurrency with StormX. Before we end this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be informed the next time I'll post a video that will help you to know new methods, strategies, and tips on how to make money online.